I tell her just know who you do it for. That ass so fat, I'm gripping on. We like to flirt, we really flaunt. We in too deep to be nonchalant. College girl, brunette, all up in your dorm. Seen you with my sweater when I saw you strolling. What you doing? And the way you walk, it's congruent. I could bust any moment, talking about hushing up, no discussion. It's a distraction, we already got a squeaky ass mattress. Tell me up after this, is that your happy place? I wanna join you in lavishes. Did you go to class for this? Cause it's a masterpiece. Come back, baby. I just really think I need you in my world. Oh yeah, you know me by the end of this shit. Just saying. You know who seduced the beast. Stupidly, this foolery ain't new to me. I pulled you out the filing cabinet to get a peek of what I'm getting. I'm paranoid, don't tell my heart. And do you know just how to stitch it? If anything, you made it tougher. Gave it calluses to calisthenics. I'm Skeletor, you're Evelyn. You make up for what I'm missing. All I know is I need you, baby. Don't care about the other fish. Even if the sea is big, you're the one I'm reeling in. I'm hoping that you get my bait, cause it was made to get you here. Lost in this shit that you call love, and I swore this thing a dub. Got me lost up in your sauce, I'm having fun, girl. Play with your hair and stick out your tongue. You a bad broad, baby, I hope you bump my song. You gotta take punishment, ushering repercussion or some kind of consequence. I'm still trying to watch you like when you bend over, filling the gap of your suctionless. See, that's what I call it, and then I be laughing and you put your hand on your fucking hip. I wanna be on it, but to be honest, you know I ain't been acknowledged yet. Talking about hushing up, no discussion. It's a distraction, we already got a squeaky ass mattress. Tell me up after this, is that your happy place? I wanna join you in lavishes. Did you go to class for this? Cause it's a masterpiece. Come back, baby. I just really think I need you in my world. Yeah, hype me up. Blasian bitch with a base complexion. Lose some sex on the game, the best friend. Wanna get up in when the days be stressful. Playing hard to get, but the tease is painful. When you're with a crave, I refuse to wait full time like a bake when the cake is shaky. She got ass and a nicer legs to go with the moves I don't know. I tell her just know who you do it for. That ass so fat, I'm gripping on. We like to flirt, we really flaunt. We in too deep to be nonchalant. College girl, brunette, all up in your dorm. Seen you with my sweater when I saw you strolling. What you doing? And the way you walk, it's congruent. I could bust any moment, talking about hushing up, no discussion.